This tutorial will help you prepare for the hair color retouch portion of the Ohio State Cosmetology and Barber Board Cosmetology Licensing Exam. Please note, Ohio State Cosmetology and Barber Board does not recommend or endorse any products, including this video. The following instructions will be read for the hair color retouch portion of the exam. This is performed in the right front section of the head. You will now perform the hair color retouch portion of this exam. The head will be divided in 4 equal quadrants. In the right front section of the head, you will apply a 1-inch hair color retouch. This procedure is 10 minutes. You will be informed when you have 5 minutes remaining in this procedure, and then they will tell you when you can begin. For this procedure, some of the task lines that you will be graded for include, again, that all of your products must be labeled in English, implements are visibly clean, the mannequin must be draped towel, cape, towel. From the perm procedure on, you will keep the mannequin draped towel, cape, towel. You must divide the head into 4 equal quadrants as part of your timing. That's included within the 10 minutes. You will apply protective cream around the hairline. You wear gloves while you are performing the retouch. And once you begin the retouch, you will outline the section before doing the rest of the retouch. You'll notice that my container is labeled Mock Hair Color, Mock Relaxer. And between each procedure, I put the lid back on, and I encourage my students to change brushes every time so that you have the best procedure possible. That way you make fewer mistakes. We all make some mistakes when we're doing this, but we want the brush as clean as we can have it. So I begin by outlining the section. If any color gets on the hair in another section, make sure you get that off of the other section. You could use a Q-tip to get it off, or your finger, whatever you need to. Paper towel will work. So I'm applying the mock hair color, this is cholesterol, on the top and the bottom of the sections to ensure saturation. I'm applying the product from the scalp out 1 inch. I'm using 1/4 inch partings, which is approximately the width of a pencil. You'll notice that I'm being careful not to get the product on the mannequin's skin. So it's only going on the scalp in this area. I maintain the draping throughout the procedure. If any product would get on the towel or the cape, I would need to make sure that it's clean as soon as I'm finished. So I wouldn't want to continue on the next procedure without either changing the towel if it gets soiled, or the cape, wiping off the cape if it would get soiled. Follow all safety and infection control guidelines throughout this procedure, and make sure that you ensure that your work area is clean and sanitary. So even though I have 10 minutes to do the sections and protective cream and this procedure, you have to work fast, but you definitely can get this done in 10 minutes. Once I'm finished, I flip the hair back down to make sure that it is neat and everything is completely covered. Make sure the hair is not laying in the face. Once I've completed this, I'll part it the opposite direction just to check and make sure that I have completely saturated all of the regrowth. Put the lid back on your container when you're finished. Put your tint brush in the trash can below and wait for your next procedure. Coming up next, foil highlighting.